Welcome to the TS Learning software. My students and I are thrilled to have you join us in this educational journey.
Hello, I am KP. This section is about function. Concept. A function in mathematics can be described like a machine. You input a value into it, and it processes that input according to a specific rule or formula, if it is acceptable. After processing, the machine gives you an output. You can represent the input and output of all machines as the set of ordered pairs. When you use the same input in the same function machine, you will always get the same output. And when the input is not acceptable, there is no output either. If a machine produces more than one outputs for the same input, it cannot be considered a function. Which of the following machines is definitely not a function? Definitely the G machine. Domain is the set of all possible acceptable inputs that the machine can process. Range is the set of all outputs that the machine can produce based on those inputs. This is the Cartesian coordinate system. It is two perpendicular number lines used to place points in a plane. We use ordered pairs to designate the place for each point on a graph. Example. Plot 3, 1. Solution. The point should be where a line leading from the +3 on input axis meets a line leading from +1 on the output axis. Draw the ordered pairs of this machine. It is clear that this machine is not a function, because there is more than one output for the input too. This vertical line helps you determine whether the given graph is a graph of a function or not. Vertical line test. If any mental vertical line intersects the graph at more than one point, then the graph does not represent a function. Example. Use the vertical line test to determine which of the graphs below can represent a function. It's a function. It's not a function. It's not a function. It's a function. It's not a function. Your effort is appreciated.
Thanks for watching.